Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Terrell here in Atlanta. Just taking a few seconds to let you all know that I joined Fraud Stoppers to get help with my mom's foreclosure, and I ended up finding a new way to make money while helping others. So listen up. If you need help stopping a foreclosure, click on the link in the description below. And if you want to make money while helping others, go to www.fraudstoppers.org/referrals. I'm out, guys.